Hello YouTube, how to operate a Liebherr Bulldozer. So first your seatbelt, this will be your safety lever, that's your park brake, and this is your actual brake, so you press that down. Your right joystick up for the blade, down, right, tilt right, left, tilt left. Then there's a button behind here. When you press it up, it goes right, down is left to swing the blade. And then your left lever is going forward and backwards, so you let off your brake a little bit slowly, go forward and backwards, and you turn it left if you want to go left, and then right. And that's pretty much it. And then your AC, radio, start, and your kill switch.